Hey, what's going on, guys? Larry here. Today we are working on a little Kubota skid steer, a SSV 65, and we just finished changing this guy out. I forgot to get the camera rolling for you guys, but we just changed her out. She was broken. They had hit something right here. We got the old one in here. Y'all can see it. But now we're making another repair because this line right here also got hit. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like it got torqued off of there. You can see it's kind of sitting on there cockeyed, and guess we're gonna pull it off here in a second and take it down to the hose shop, and they're gonna replace that end for us, and then we're gonna come and reinstall it. All right.
Before we do it moving, I done seen enough shit that I could ride a movie. Ain't no Tyler Perry, this is Steve Tank. Seen a lot of bullshit that you'll never see, that you don't wanna see. Let me be clear, never would've thought that we would be here after 6 years. Should've been gone, wrote another place to put the theme song. We reviving now, and if you knew, still you knew we was riding out. This ain't no profit, this is all profit. Get it all quicker than we got it, that was back then. Little nigga.
All right. So hopefully, well, you can see here. So this is our tank. That's our level. That's our fill. Oh, hold on. So this is the tank for the hydraulic fluid. This is the level right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me zoom in for you. Okay, you can see the little line there, and there's a little ball floating in there. Can't really see it. It's dirty. Clean that off. Okay, so now y'all can see that a little better. Let me see, get some light on there. Yeah, you see that little ball in there? The fluid's a little low, but she's been leaking, so that's right on. So, but yeah. Anyway, the tank's low. That thing connects about tank level, so hopefully we don't make too much of a mess here. Okay, Chris, there. The fitting was super loose. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it off. I'm gonna inspect it, see how it looks on the inside, how the flare surface is, and see what we're working with here. Flare looks good there. This one just looks like it's bent. Okay. So, flare surface looks good. Flare surface looks good here on this side. We're gonna put this back on. If we can get it back on. Well, looks like it just might have got knocked loose. The fitting's a little bent. The fitting on the fitting on the hydraulic cylinder right here seems to be like bent. This piece right here, the piece that this one threads onto, it's like curved down a little bit. It may even be cracked right there. But we're gonna snug that up, and then we're gonna start it up and then actuate that cylinder and see how we're looking. All right. I'll be right back. I'm gonna run inside of here and grab a can of brake clean really fast so I can make sure that it's not leaking.
All we do is move. I done seen enough shit that I could ride a movie. Ain't no Tyler Perry, this is Stephen King. Seen a lot of bullshit that you'll never see, that you don't wanna see. Let me be clear, never would've thought that we would be here after 6 years. Should've been gone, rolling up the place to put a theme song. We revive now, and if you knew Stephen knew that we was riding out. This ain't no non-profit, this is all profit. Get it off quicker than we got it, that was back when. Little niggas bring it back to Mac 10. Watch that little bitch that you be Mac 10. She the one to get you hit. She the organized gangster, she can hit a lick. With your daddy, you can get him here. I caught you laughing, now you asking what the fuck is this? This what it look like. Stomach dangle down to the floor. This shit don't look right. Another song by getting low to the window. These balls won't stop him no more. Ricochet catching your baby bro. Now he thuggin', kept on thuggin', he ain't thuggin' no more. Next that casket rap. Mama find motherfuckers daily, they ain't asked for that. Try to catch me on this Kawasaki. Gold chain, gold watch, this they live ratchet. Boy, I'm fed up. Every motherfucker want they bread up. But they ain't at it like an addict, trying to scrape up every dollar they can. We really got you, they just don't understand. So I paint pictures. But these motherfuckers blind and think it's hieroglyphics. I ain't scared to share my game, cause this game ain't no competition. This ain't no competition.